Hey Nangan customers, here we are with another product video. Today we're here with the F20C spoon engine for a Honda S2000 AP1. These engines come straight from Spoon's engine assembly room in Tokyo, where they are precisely balanced and blueprinted by highly experienced engineers and built for superior performance and reliability. This engine here is a 2.2 liter version of the F20 and is also available as a 2.0. Both can be used with factory ECU. For more information and complete selection of Spoon engines, including both versions of the F20 as well as the F22, please visit our website www.nangan.com. Thank you.